Hi guys, I hope you're good. I'm really good. First of all, my van actually starts. Lyssna! Woo! Oh my god, the car actually works! I went and bought a new battery because I've been guessing for a long time that my battery sucks. So I bought a new one and it started like a, I don't know, roaring tiger. I was so happy. And I've managed to install my first LED lights ever. Now I think I'm gonna try turning these on. Okay, so I connected everything. Now I'm gonna try and connect the battery. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at this! I got lights! I got lights in the van! Wow! And all of them work, so I got lights! So I don't really know what I'm gonna do today. I'm thinking that I maybe should just continue with this shelf or storage thingy. I'm not sure what I'm gonna build it with, but yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to use what I have. Maybe not the most aesthetic, good-looking thing ever, this van, but as long as it works, it's good enough for me. My name is Anne, and this is my van conversion. I have no previous experience. All I got is being stubborn and enthusiastic. Join me in my van build. Okay, by the way guys, I don't know what you listen to when you build, if you're building. I would like some tips. I usually listen to Global News podcast. I love this podcast. Do you have any good podcasts that you listen to that you can recommend? Please comment. So I'm starting on my shelf. And I'm gonna have above the kitchen area and the bed. Got some nice company, and then look at this, they're playing games in the toilet area. Sorry. So progress, looking good. So I have a plan. I have my cupboard area, this long space, and I'm gonna divide it in 3, and I'm gonna stabilize it like this, and also like this, and then I'm gonna put like a frame here, or a piece of wood like this. And I think that will be perfect. And still so cute. Bella has her summer hat on. Do you miss summer, Bella?
No.
You don't miss summer? Well, I sure do. Good early morning from Sweden. I just woke up. And today I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but first I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna get some electricity to the van so I can heat it up. Let's do this. Let's get some electricity from Simon. Now I'm all rigged up and ready to do some building. Look at this. I got in quite far, I think. So we're inside the van, and as you can see, I've started to make some panels or paneling by my sofa. So I'm gonna finish this piece, and then the plan is to perhaps start with the cupboards, the doors for the cupboards. This is how far I've come. So now it's last piece. First piece. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna screw the paneling to the sofa, and then I'm gonna pre-drill the holes. And what I can recommend that makes life much easier is to have 2 screwdrivers. One to drill the hole and one to mount the screws. It's so satisfying when I've completed just one tiny project, and it really keeps me going, because some parts of my builds I do half, and then I have to start with something else because I have plans that have to be done before I finish this thing. And when you finish just one small part and you're done, then it just makes me so happy. Yeah, so happy. Look at this. All done. Oh, and to my cupboards, I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna change the plan as usual. Maybe I should use the MDF board and then buy new paneling and paint it in a darker color or different color. Yeah, because I don't want my van to look like a sauna, and it's getting close to that feel. Okay, cabin in the woods, sauna. Yeah, we'll see. This is my setup when I'm gonna saw my cupboard doors, and we'll see if it works. This is gonna be very interesting. Well, kind of straight. Okay, I sawed my 3 cabinet door pieces. So this is one. I tried to make them straight. Yeah, didn't really succeed, but still. So my plan is is to put these paneling sauna pieces of wood on all the way like a frame. So either this is gonna be genius and look really good, or it's gonna be so ugly and a disaster. I don't know. Oh, and of course I'm gonna paint it. Yeah. So exciting. Looky, looky. glue on the MDF, and I'm gonna let it dry a bit, and then I'm gonna paint it. Yeah, not perfect, but looks okay. It's getting late, but I have gotten quite far with my doors for the cupboards. Look at this. This is the third one. I just glued it so it's gonna be here and dry. Then I have the second one, and it needs to dry as well. And I actually painted the first one, and I think it's gonna be a good color. A bit darker than I imagined, but I'll just show you. Okay, so good evening. I've been working a bit in the van. It's Sunday, and I've finished my cupboard doors, and they're just attached with simple hinges, and they're not really perfect, but yeah, I'll just have to do some adjustments later, and we'll see what happens in the van next time. But it's starting to look like a home, I think. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't be shy, leave a comment, please.